chicken, we are a slightly square shape. This small yellow one is the good, and glued on it separately. The mouth is a three-dimensional sausage mouth. Let's take out our base map first. Cut along the solid line. Before cutting, you can take a picture with your phone, because the dotted line, we fix them separately on it. Along the edge line. Then we took out the foam table. There are 3 rubbing needles next to the foam table. There is anti-rust oil on the rubbing needle. We need to use a tissue to wipe off the anti-rust oil. Then we take out the yellow wool. Pull it down and lay it flat on the cloth. Make sure the thickness is even. After spreading, you can use your hands to touch it, to feel the thickness. It looks bulging, but it will be flat when you rub it tightly. Next, we use a rubbing needle to fix the wool on the cloth. The method of rubbing wool is relatively simple. Insert the needle vertically and pull it out vertically and pull it out diagonally. Keep rubbing it so that the wool tightly to the cloth. When you start rubbing, you can insert the needle a little deeper. Then we look at the bottom. Next, we'll fold the excess wool along the shape of our cloth. Along the shape, fold it inward and fix it as you fold. Then basically fold it in. Next, let's feel its thickness. Is it even? If it's not even, we'll add a layer to the thinner areas and lay a layer and continue to rub it tightly. Then, in the same way, fold the excess wool downwards. Then rub the whole thing tightly and smoothly. Shape it while rubbing. The sides should be firm, even, and smooth. Then we shape the entire shape to make it firm. After fixing, we took out the brown and yellow wool. take a strip to fix it. Roll it into a strip, and then fix it at the mouth position. Then poke out the mouth. Fix the mouth first. Then make the shape a little tighter. Make the edges neat. Then we took out the black wool. First, fix the eyes. Pay attention to the position of the two eyes, the position and shape of the eyes. And the size of the eyes should be symmetrical. Then take out the peach pink wool. Rub the pink wool into a blush. First, roll it into a circle and fix it in the position of the blush. In this way, the yellow duck and the chicks. The shape is completed. Next, we need to poke the upper one, the small one. After poking it out separately, fix it with glue. After fixing it, we take the same black wool to make eyes. The eyes are small. When fixing the eyes, we must make them smaller and less wool. Take a little red wool to rub out the mouth. Then take a little pink wool to make the blush. Rub peach pink wool to make blush. After fixing it, we take the glue stick. Heat it up and apply a little glue. Just a little bit. Then fix it in this position. Next, we look at the back. To install the accessories, we also need to use a glue stick. We need to use a glue stick to fix them. There are two same accessories. Heat it up, then poke the needle end. Apply some glue to the bottom and fix it on the top of our brooch. Upper part, in the middle, upper part. Then put it aside. We take the yellow wool. Then use the needle to rub the wool tightly and smooth. Then we rub our yellow wool. Rub it in this position. Then rub our yellow wool and rub it tightly and smoothly. The needle should be inserted shallowly on the surface. And fix it. Then let's take a look. The hatred of this brooch. There are 2 small leaves. Squeeze the small leaves to the middle and then put it in this way. Our brooch is finished.